Hey guys, today I am installing the Stickers4u Bronco Heritage vinyl decals. There's a few different options out there. You can actually buy the 3D letters that are like actually molded, but this is just a vinyl decal that I'll link in the description that you can buy. A little bit cheaper. Still looks good. This is actually a matte black one that we're going to put on here. I actually already removed the Big Bend badges, as you can see here. But first thing you want to do is get the area nice and clean. Get it cleaned up, and then also make sure it's nice and dry. So we're going to clean this area nicely here. Sure, we've got a dry area here. This is on a very new Bronco. It's only a couple days old, so alright. So when you get these decals, there's a transfer tape, and you want to have a squeegee like this, or maybe a credit card would do in a pinch if you don't have the squeegee. When you buy the Stickers4u decals, you actually get a little credit card size squeegee, but this one has the felt, and I'm going to use that. But when you go to take these off, you want to make sure that it transfers to the tape, because you can see right there that it's not really transferring, so you kind of want to help it. Try to pick it up and like peel it back kind of at an angle going down. Try not to touch the black as you're peeling it back. And see, we got to that little line there in the O. Just kind of pick it up with that transfer tape as you go down. That start of the ends being a little tricky there. Oh, there we got it. Bend back, pick up. See, we got the O. There we go. So this is pretty easy to line this up because you got this line going across the top here. So I'm just going to come in a little bit and then just down just a hair from that line. Yeah, right about. See if that looks good. I'll start from the left here. Kind of get it like that. That looks pretty good. We're going to take our squeegee right here. So if you had the credit card, you may use this side. Should not scratch the paint as long as you're on the transfer tape part. Just don't slide off onto the paint. Just like that. And then we'll get our finger under the transfer tape here. And then peel her back. Just like that. And I think they turned out really good. This is the matte black. So the other colors that we sell is they're actually a gloss, so the whites, the reds, any of those other colors will be in a gloss, but this one is actually in a nice matte black. And these are really easy to take off if you want to take them off, just like a vinyl wrap or any other vinyl sticker / decal. Alright guys, here's a little visual of the decal in the light here. Sorry about that shadow. Oh, you can't get a good view there. Right there's a good view. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. Show it to you on the other side here. the matte black will end up looking the best. The gloss will turn out okay too, but I think the matte black is where it's at. So if you're going for black, that's a little taste of what it'll look like. And like I said, check the description below for the link to our store, and stay tuned for more.